Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good and resonating with the readings. Whenever I open the Kali cards, I just feel as if a lot of people are smiling and waiting for the day of Tuesday to come so that you can get the guidance of these beautiful cards. I had already said I'm bringing the workshop, so soon the details. You can also see the details. By now, the details have been posted everywhere, but if you've not got the details, then you can get in touch with me. Let us see what is the first card. It's a beautiful blue colored card, the Kaladhara. It's a beautiful card. I feel as if the goddess is just in bliss with herself. But let's see what does she mean. And Kalaratri. What a beautiful combination. Maybe that's why I always say that cards go in sync with each other. Kaladhara and Kalaratri. Two beautiful combination cards. Kaladhara comes to us in life when we feel there is no hope left and there is nothing left for us in life. That is the time she comes and she takes you to a very different level. She makes you to look into you that whatever is happening which you feel is not good or is putting you down, that also will come to an end and good things will come, and this night shall also pass, or this day shall also pass, is what she talks. Wherein Kala Ratri is a warrior. She is the person who she will break through everything. Whatever you feel is not happening, whatever you feel is putting you down or is not, making you to grow the way you're supposed to grow. Kalaratri actually means the black night. So it can mean that this night is going to pass and there's a beautiful morning coming for you. So this message basically is that the change is coming and the change is actually for good. But to accept this change, first thing you need to do is you need to let go of all the attachments. You need to let go of the thoughts that what will happen, how it will happen, because when there is Kalima with you, why do you need to worry about anything else at all? She is the one who is always going to be there with you, and she is the one who's going to love you and support you. So after every dark night, there is a beautiful sunny morning. So today, if things are not good for you, understand that this change is coming and the change is going to definitely bring beautiful good changes for you. Today I would suggest to have bath with little salt water in the morning, and if possible hear the Durga Chalisa before you start your day. And I feel the color should be blue today because the prominence of blue is more in today's reading. So that's the reason I feel let's go with the color blue, and maybe light blue, so that you feel calm and composed from inside. And if the universe wants to communicate something to you, or you are trying to communicate something to the universe, it is done with a soft and subtle way and in a successful way. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead.